Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a load balancer in AWS Cloud Platform. For this you need an AWS account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Being a beginner, you can create a trial account and it's free for 12 months. I have logged into my AWS account and this is the homepage of the AWS portal. Let's go ahead and search for EC2. I have selected EC2 because I'm going to create a virtual machines now. As you can see here, the running instances are 0 because we haven't created any instances. Click on instances. Click on launch instance. In this step, we have to choose image for your virtual machine. Here I'm going to select Ubuntu 18.04. Click on select. Here you can choose the instance type for your virtual machine. So here I'm leaving everything as default. That means here I'm choosing the general purpose T2 micro. You can select whichever you want. Here I'm giving the value for number of instances as 2 because I'm going to create 2 virtual machines here. You can give any number based on your requirements. Here I'm leaving everything default and clicking on next. In this page I'm not going to add any volume. Click on next. Here I'm going to add a rule and then type I'm going to select as all traffic and the source is anywhere. Now I'm going to click on the review and launch. Click on launch. We can create a new key pair or you can choose your existing one. Here I'm going to create a new key pair. Let's give key pair name. I'm going to give it as demo. Download the key pair. Then click on launch instances. As you can see here, the instances are now launching. Go to all services, click on EC2. Click on instances. As we can see here, the 2 virtual machines are getting created and they are in pending state. As we can see here, the 2 virtual machines got created. Let's go ahead and name the virtual machines. VM1. Then click on tick. Then VM2. Now let's log into the VM. Click on load. Then select all files here. Let's search for, as you can see here, .pem file. Double click on it. OK. Click on save. Click yes. And save it in any location. Here I'm saving in downloads itself. Demo key. Click on save. Close Putigen. Copy the public IP. Let's log into the VM. Open putty. Then paste the public IP of the VM under host name. Click on SSH. Click on auth. Here we have to browse the PPK file converted previously. Click on open. Logging to the VM by typing Ubuntu. Now let's become the root user by executing the command sudo su. Let's update the system. apt get update. The system is getting updated. Let's wait. Yeah, it's done. Let's install Apache 2 by executing the command apt-get space install Apache 2 space -y. It is installing. It is getting installed. Yeah, the installation complete. Let's check the status by running the command service space Apache 2 space status. As you can see, Apache is active and it is in running state. Go to the browser and paste the public IP of the VM1. You can see the Ubuntu default page. This shows that Apache 2 has been installed properly on VM1. Close the tab. Let's go to VM2 and install Apache 2. Copy public IP of VM2. Go to putty. Paste the IP under hostname or IP address. Click on SSH. Click on auth. Then browse the ppk file. Demo key. Click on open. Click on yes. Let's log in to the VM by typing Ubuntu. Run the command sudo su to become root user. Let's update the system by executing the command apt-get space update. Let's wait until it gets updated. Yeah, it's done. Let's install Apache 2 by executing the command apt-get space install Apache 2 space -y. The installation is in process and it's done. Let's check the Apache 2 status by running the command service space Apache 2 status. As we can see, the Apache is in running state. Let's go ahead and create a load balancer. Scroll down, click on load balancers. Click on create load balancer. Here I'm creating the classic load balancer. You can create network load balancer and application load balancer based on your requirements. Here I'm creating the classic load balancer. Click on create. Provide the name for your load balancer. Here I'm giving my load balancer. Click on next. Here I'm selecting create a new security group and create and give name for your security group. My NSC. I'm giving name as my NSC. Click on add rule. Select type as all traffic and source anywhere. Click on next. So we are getting this error message. So we are getting this error message because then the NSG with the same name already exists. So in one region the name should be unique. Here we are getting this error message because the security group with the name myNSG already exists. So let's give myNSG1 because the NSG name should be unique. Click on next. Next. Here I'm leaving everything as default and then click on next. Here I'm adding the two VMs which I've created before. Now click on next. Click on review and create. Click on create. The load balancer has been created. Close. As you can see, the load balancer got created. Now copy the DNS name of the load balancer and paste it in the browser. We are getting this page because the two VMs has not been placed behind the load balancer. So we should wait until the status changes. Now as you can see, the status is out of service, which is saying that instance registration is still in progress. We have to wait until this registration is done. Refresh the page to get the updated status. As you can see, the two instances are in service. Now let's go ahead and refresh the browser. As you can see, now we got the Apache Ubuntu default page. Now the VMs which are behind the load balancers are responding to the request. That's it guys. Thank you guys.